The AcuHUM DM Series offers multiple installation configurations, including duct mount, room mount, outside air, with an optional weather shield. The AcuHUM DM duct mount sensor measures humidity and temperature in HVAC ductwork for building automation systems. It uses digital polymer sensing technology for fast response, low drift, and 2% RH accuracy. The AcuHUM DM can be paired with a thermistor RTD or transmitter to provide both RH and temperature readings in a single model number. It features a standardized IP65 enclosure. An adjustable mounting flange allows precise probe depth positioning for accurate readings in well-mixed air. Quick-release self-capturing cover screws and push-button terminal blocks simplify wiring and allow easy access during installation. The AcuHUM DM is mounted on ductwork to ensure an HVAC system efficiency and to provide the building automation system with accurate measurements.